the signal that I posted on Gamex 1200 didn't go too well as predicted, just the way we have posted it in the Telegram channel. However, it got to the first TP before this happened to it. Okay, I will be explaining what actually happened to it right here in this video, and I will let us know the next thing that we should look out for in this particular on this particular chart, okay, and if we can still be profitable with this chart or not. Okay, so before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course guys, if you love this content and you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you, and you can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will also be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so we did an analysis on this particular chart, and of course, this chart belongs to Gamex 1200. This is 15-minute time frame. This actually got to the resistance zone at this point, and it came down a bit and went back up to go above this to get to this resistance zone. Okay, and it was unable to break out from here. You can see it played around there for a while before giving us a downtrend signal and a sell signal, and of course this gives us more assurance that this is going to sell. And of course, since it is coming from a resistance zone, and because it has got into this region and went back up, and of course it's coming down this time around, we believe that it's going to sell for a very long time. Of course, we jumped into the trade and gave us our entry point, and of course we set our stop loss at the right place, and of course guys, it got to our first TP around here, but it didn't go beyond that. Okay, it was unable to get to the second TP, okay, before pulling back and of course having a total reversal in price action. Okay, what actually happened around here? First of all, there was no much volatility within this particular, on this particular asset as at the time we did the analysis. Okay, and the volatility was so low, the movement of the chart was very slow, and of course it took a lot of time before, even before it got to our entry point. And from the time that it got to the entry point, before it got to the first TP, it took a lot of time. So it means that the volatility around that time was very slow. Okay, so because it was very slow, it took several times, and there was a lot of reversal in the action that people were taking at that particular point. Okay, so this made the support region around there a bit stronger, and of course it had a total pullback at that point, and of course it went back to the resistance zone, and it has not been able to break out from there. Okay, so what is the way forward from here? The next thing we should hope for is a downtrend signal also, and of course you can see the trading tool, it has given us a downtrend signal at this point because it has not been able to break out above this resistance zone, and of course this is giving us another downtrend signal. So this is going to sell for long, so we should now expect it to sell, achieving all those TPs we highlighted yesterday within the Telegram channel. Okay, and I can prove this to you from this. If you look at the market structure, this is going to be giving us a big M this time around. Okay, and of course, if you also notice, it got to this resistance zone, was unable to break it around there, and it has gotten there already again, and it has not been able to break out around there. Okay, so we expect it to sell more, and that is why we are getting a downtrend signal at this point and a sell signal. At least it should get to this point first, and if it breaks out from here, then it should get to this point, and once it breaks out from this region, then we should know that we are in for a long selling opportunity. Okay, so we should watch out for this. So this is going to be a win-win for us. Okay, and once the market is moving in the right direction and we have enough volatility within the market, then we are most likely to get a very strong sell on this particular chart. That is, if it does not go back and break out above the resistance zone. So, which means if you are setting your order, make sure you use a good risk management system whenever you are setting your order. Okay, so based on that, let's quickly check on GainX 9992. Okay, this also started an uptrend movement yesterday. However, the movement was also very slow, but at least it gave us some reasonable profit at that particular point. Okay, even though I didn't post this signal within the Telegram channel, but those that are using this trading tool should be in a big profit as of now. Okay, it had a major pullback yesterday in the night, and of course went back up to break out above it, and it is still on the buy. Okay, so we expect this particular trade to get to this particular spot, and of course if you're still holding on, then you are most likely to make a lot of profit from here. Just make sure you trail up your trading activities with your stop loss so that you can keep um some profit for yourself while you are trying to to gain more within this market. Okay, so if you love this analysis, or you probably you love this video, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. You can also reach out to me via WhatsApp. Probably you want to ask a personal question, or you even want to know about this trading tool which I am using right here. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp and I will be there to reply you. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.